Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. Today we gonna present our ISAS. The title of our ISAS is Protection of Windows 10. Before that, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Gayatri Afsarini Hisana.
My name is Salsabila Putri Arini.
My name is Farika Trinanda Munata.
Operating System Definition. The operating system is the manager of all the resources on the computer system and provides a set of service system calls to the user, making it easier for user and the utilization of computer system research. In some systems, protection is carried out by a program called a reference monitor. Every time there is a protected PC research access, the system refers as the reference monitor about the validity of the access. The reference monitor will then determine the decision whether the access is allowed or denied. Purpose of the operating system. The operating system has a purpose as 1. A controller in executing application programs. 2. Interface or mediator between computer user and computer hardware. 3. Allows existing resource on the computer to be used efficiently. 4. With the operating system, computers are easier to use. 5. The operating system can be compiled and planned for the effective development, testing, and implementation of new functions without disrupting existing service. Operating system function. The operating system has a function for first, handling system resources such as computer memory and various central process times CPUs by various application peripheral devices. Second, booting the computer. Third, perform computer tasks such as managing various peripheral devices, for example, a mouse and keyboard.
Windows 10 feature. 1. Return of the Start menu. In Windows 10, Start menu comes back to part, namely the traditional application icon on the left and the left tiles on the right. 2. Task view is useful for moving application quickly. 3. Notification center has quick settings such as turning off and on Wi-Fi, screen brightness, Bluetooth, be able to view incoming email and commenting on incoming photo from assistant. 4. Microsoft Edge has advantages such as having a very fast browsing speed with a modern appearance. 5. Snap Assistant has a function to help us select application to snap and we can open more than one application on the screen. 6. Continuum is a bridge between Windows table and desktop. Windows 10 security. Windows 10 itself has claimed that this version of Windows 10 has a better security system than several previous versions. Windows 10 also has the following feature. 1. Windows Hello. It is a login method that uses biometric or can ask body characteristics such as a face and fingerprint. 2. Smart Screen. This feature has the aim of protecting computers from applications that are unclear and can harm our computer. 3. Firewall. The guard between the computer and the network. Without a firewall, our computer will be easily hacked, retrieved, and access our files. 4. Windows Defender. This antivirus has been upgraded. This is also lightweight, so it doesn't interfere with computer performance at all. 5. Third-party antivirus, for example, Kaspersky and other. Definition of protection. Protection is protection that information system try to achieve workable output goals or a mean of maintaining the integrity, confidently, and availability of information aimed at protecting data from possible risks that may occur and impact the database. Protection function. 1. Fault detection, namely detecting any disturbance in the secure system. 2. Fault clearing, which is to separate the part of the system that is being disturbed so that the rest of the system can work and run normally. 3. Annunciation, which notifies the operator of any trouble in the system. Protection objective. The purpose of protection is to reduce any damage to the system, overcome the disturbed system as a little and as fast, prevent the expansion of disturbance to the system, protect the system against misses by wanted user, and distinguish between permitted and unauthorized as.
Problem analysis. Definition of troubleshooting is a systematic search for the source of the problem so that the problem can be resolved. Troubleshooting is divided into two, namely troubleshooting hardware and troubleshooting software. Troubleshooting in Windows and solution. Number 1, damage to the registry system. 2, exposed to a virus or malware. 3, computer temperature is too hot. And then maintenance. First, corrective maintenance. These changes are made by fixing errors in the device in the form of fix due to bugs that are during as of programs on the device, temporary or permanent solutions. Second, adaptive maintenance. These changes are made based on change in the environment. With the new hardware technology and software development, adaptive maintenance can be useful to overcome the swift change in processor speed, which will affect how the software runs on a computer. Third, preventive maintenance. Change made to increase the quality of the system without changing the function of the system also require program to improve the quality of the program to make it more effective and efficient. Fourth, preventive maintenance. By increasing reliability, future maintenance, and future enhancement, preventive maintenance has a function to prevent any problem that might occur.
Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Protection is protection that information system try to achieve workable outcomes or a means to maintain the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of information aimed at protecting data from serious risks that may occur and have an impact on the database. Protection also has several objectives, namely to reduce damage to the system, overcome the disturbed system as little and as fast as any, prevent the expansion of disturbance to the system, protect the system against misuse by unexpected users, and to distinguish between permitted and unauthorized uses. Suggestion. If we don't any interference with Windows, we should install an antivirus and check the system regularly in order to minimize any interference with Windows. And we should also do maintenance on our computers. That is the ISAS about Windows 10 protection, which our group can convey. We realize that ISAS is still far from perfect and there are too many mistakes because we are still in the learning stage. For that, we apologize and we look forward to constructive criticism and suggestion for the further improvement of our ISAS. Thank you. That's all from our presentation. We are sorry if there's still lacking of victory and fault of our speech. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.